Hello my friends, welcome. So I'm sorry for this chaos here, but we are reorganizing in depth this studio, and at the occasion of moving this cupboard here, I wanted to show you how to make good foundations for any furniture to be placed evenly on a ground made out of earth. Let's go. So here this is a little old-fashioned, and before putting the cupboard back I will prepare the ground so that it's fitting well and that it's even. So I measured the cupboard makes 48 centimeters, and I'm making, let's say, a visual reference here, so it should be well organized until this place. I also measure the width, so it's 80, so it goes to here. So now I have to prepare a good ground for this surface. So here, for removing these tiles, I'm taking this tool. Voila. And the other one. Voila. Okay. I've been lucky. I had a rest of some cuts, which is exactly 80. So I'm taking advantage of removing the things which are not really biodegradable. Also found this wood because we're close to the garden. Oh, it's a real treasure place. This year's metal goes to the container for metal. So the tiles will go here and here. I leave a little bit of space, and now we'll make a little hole for putting these tiles inside the earth. And now we will make some holes for putting these tiles precisely at the right level. Here I'm putting some references for making the holes. I know that these tiles are well placed. I'm adding back some earth, especially for the side. Compacting slightly. is the tool that you have already seen for leveling the ground. And now I'm checking the depth to see if there is space enough for placing the whole cupboard. And for this I'm using this board I already used for measuring the level. If in the back it is not at the right height, the cupboard will not be even. And I have to be careful. This has to be done carefully because otherwise it will be a mess. Now we check again. Now it's ready for putting the cupboard back. That's it, my friends. This video is now finished. I hope that it will be useful to you and that you liked it. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. And now we can go back to the series about the amazing reorganization of this studio. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.